Unu na-anabata unu na Igbo Online College. Hello, I welcome you back to Igbo Online College. So, today, it's a special day. Yay! Today is my birthday. Yay! So, I thank God for adding another year to my life, for His mercies, His goodness, and everything He's been to me and for me. So, in the spirit of my birthday, in the mood, I am making an offer. It's my own little way of showing appreciation for your continued support on this channel, on my page. I want to teach 10 adults Igbo who are willing, if you want to learn Igbo, and 10 children, 10 adults, 10 children, if you want your children to learn Igbo. Then as an adult, if you want to learn Igbo, I'm making an offer. It is going to be for 1 month, 4 weeks, once a week. The class is going to be 1 hour per week. 1 hour per week. Both for the children and for the adults. This class is basically to teach you the rudiments of Igbo so that even if you don't want to pay anybody to teach you Igbo, you can learn from other sources like the YouTube or textbooks or whatever. It will give you an insight into the rules of Igbo. For the kids, I think it will help them to appreciate the language the more and help their pronunciation skills. And so, the classes will be 8 p.m. Nigerian time for the adults and 6 p.m. Nigerian time for the kids. Yeah. So this offer is open for 24 hours from now. From the time of this upload, the offer will last for 24 hours. After 24 hours, the offer has elapsed. So if you are interested, please send me an email on igboonlinecollege@gmail.com. I'll put the email in the description so you can just send me an email. Then, if you're interested, because it is a free class, it is going to be strict, very strict. If you are interested, make sure you're not going to miss any class. If you miss a class, you're not going to continue. So, that is it today. Do wish me well in the comments. Okay, Thank you.